Hi. So today I'm going to show you a strategy. It's an option strategy where we are selling options. But basically, what I want to show you is the power of splitting the trades into different time frames. Okay, so a lot of times there is a confusion at what time should we start a strategy. Should we start at 9:20, 10:20, 11 o'clock? Like what should be the correct time? So obviously there is no correct time, but just splitting the trade into different time frames will increase our accuracy and can give us better profits. So I'm going to show you a simple strategy, but the aim is to show you how time works. Okay, so in this what I'm doing is I am going to sell a call and a put of Nifty, weekly call and weekly put, which is closest to 40 rupees. I will have an initial stop loss of 100%. So let's say if I've sold it for 42, my initial stop loss is 84 for call. And let's say if I've sold the put for 45, then my initial stop loss of put is 90, right? So double. And then I have a trailing stop loss. So once the price of call or the price of put, if it goes down by 50%, then I will reduce my stop loss also by 50%, right? So that's a very simple strategy. It's an intraday strategy. I will exit at, let's say, 315, and there is no rollover. So I will exit the trade during the day. So I'm showing you different results now. So this is at 9:16. As you can see, the time is 9:16, and the total profit. So this is about 3.5 years of data. The total profits comes to about 4,400 points. The biggest drawdown, right? The maximum drawdown comes to about 427 points. So there is a very important ratio called the Kalmar ratio, which is essentially your average profits per year divided by the maximum drawdown. This gives you a kind of a ratio which tells you how much money I'm going to risk for making let's say X amount of money. So 3.2 means that if I'm risking 1 rupee, so for every 1 rupee risk, I can make 3.2 rupees. That's what it means. So the Kalmar ratio, the higher the Kalmar ratio, better our strategy is. So at 9:16, the Kalmar ratio is 3.2. Let's see same strategy at 10:16. The Kalmar ratio has gone up to 4.6. So definitely the Kalmar has gone up. But if you see the total points, right, it has gone from 4,400 to 4,000. So why Kalmar went up? Because the drawdown reduced. The drawdown here was 427, which is reduced to 270. Similarly, let's say at 11:16, again the Kalmar has gone up to 5.7, even better than 4.6. But again, you'll notice that the total points have come down and the drawdown is slightly reduced, which is why we have even better Kalmar. At 12:16, now you'll notice that the 11:16 Kalmar was 5.7, but at 12:16 it's 4.9. So it has actually reduced now. So, but this is happening in Nifty, and again, there is no guarantee that in future this 11:16 is the best time. I'm just taking random times right now. So my idea is here is to show that we can clearly see that different times have different Kalmar ratios. So which one should we choose? So we have another option, right? Instead of choosing a particular time, let's say if we want to take trades in 4 lots, rather than taking all the trades at the same time, what if we take one trade at 9:16, one trade at 10:16, one at 11:16, and one at 12:16? So here is the combined result now of all the 4 times together, and look at the Kalmar. You'll realize that your Kalmar is 8.2 now. 8.2, which is the highest, almost double all of each individual Kalmar. So this is how we can use time. Essentially, instead of taking all our trades at the same time, if it's a time-based strategy, we can split our trades, and if we then trade, you'll realize that your Kalmar ratio will be really good. That's the reason is that your DD does not increase so much. Your DD doesn't increase so much, but your total profits actually increase, and that is why your Kalmar can be really good. So I hope you like this strategy, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.